Hey YouTube, today we're going to get started. I'm going to show you how to make some of the best chicken jerky around in my town because it was made by me. And I'm going to show you how to make the best in your town made by you. Alright, to start off with a small portion, get yourself about 3 breasts of chicken, weighing about roughly 1.5 to 2 pounds. You're going to need 1.5 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 cup of soy sauce, 1.5 cup of liquid smoke. I'm sorry, that's a half cup of liquid smoke. 1 tablespoon of steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, you're going to cut your chicken breasts up in the portion size that you want. Now, depending on how thick you make your slices, will depend on how long you leave them in the dehydrator. But no matter how big you slice it, we're going to let it marinate for 24 hours to get the best flavor possible. So let's get started. Once you have your meat all sliced up, you want to add everything into the bowl, a big bowl that's going to hold everything, starting with your seasoning first. Dump that in there. It don't matter which order you pour your liquids in, but I'm going to start with the Worcestershire sauce, my soy sauce, and then my liquid smoke. You want to whisk everything together. Don't wait till you put your chicken in to whisk it up. Whisk it all together now. Once you got your marinade ready, you can start adding your slices. Smash that all down in the marinade real good now. This can be very good for game day or any day. But I guarantee you, the fellas is gonna love it. Your wife, your girlfriend, and whoever friend, they're gonna love it too. Now remember, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it marinate for 24 hours. After our marination is complete, we're going to put it on the dehydrator, and I'll be back with you guys when I put it on the dehydrator and to show you how it looks once it come off a dehydrator. Okay, we back. It's been 24 hours. Our meat has been marinating. We're getting ready to put it on the dehydrator. And there is no set time to leave it on the dehydrator. You just want to check it after about 6 hours or so till the meat is as tough as you want it or as soft as you want it. But make sure you leave it on there for a good 6 hours at least to make sure it's done. I laid out some newspaper so my table doesn't get messy when I put my meat on a dehydrator, because juices will drip down through there and just make cleanup a lot easier. It drips on here and I can throw that out. Chicken is on a dehydrator. I'm about to place racks on there now. Turn it on. Remember to leave it going for at least 6 hours. More if you want it crunchier and tougher. We're back, and my chicken has been on the dehydrator now for 24 hours. Remember I said the longer you leave it on, the crunchier and the tougher it'll be. I like my jerky tough. We're back, and this is what it looks like. That's the stuff right there, YouTube. Like I said, I like mine's tough, so I let mine's on a dehydrator for 24 hours. But if you like my jerky, I left a recipe at the bottom. If you have any comments, you can leave them in the comments. Also, if you like my jerky, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos on how I do my other jerky. I got beef jerky, and I got a spicy jerky for those of you that love spicy. It's to die for, man. So just remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back. Peace out, YouTube.